Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for class 4th, subject mathematics, chapter number 4, multiplication. Summary lecture. In this lecture, I shall summarize this chapter number 4, multiplication. Now, what is multiplication? Multiplication is an operation that calculates the result of repeated additions of the given number. Multiplication is an operation that calculates the result of repeated additions of the given number. For example, see 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal to 18. See how many times it is repeating? 6 is repeating 3 times. So we can write also like this 6 multiply 3 and that is also equal to 18. Clear? Now, properties of multiplication. Number 1. Multiplying by 1. The product of a number and 1 is the number itself. I repeat, the product of a number and 1 is the number itself. कोई भी गिवन नंबर और 1 को अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा नंबर वही आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 564 multiply 1 equal 564, that number itself. Now second property, multiplying by 0. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. कोई भी नंबर और अगर हम 0 का प्रोडक्ट करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर 0 आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 143 मल्टीप्लाई 0 इक्वल 0. नाउ नंबर थर्ड, ऑर्डर इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. The product of two numbers does not change even if we change the order of the numbers. The product of two numbers does not change even if we change the order of the numbers. The product of two numbers, दो numbers का अगर हम प्रोडक्ट करते हैं, अगर हम उनका ऑर्डर चेंज करते हैं सिर्फ, तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट वही सेम रहता है. It doesn't change. For example, 6 multiply 4 equal 24. Now we change the order. Means 4 multiply 6 equal 24. Now fourth property, grouping property in multiplication. See, the product of the numbers does not change even if we change the grouping. The product of the numbers does not change even if we change the grouping. For example, see, bracket start 6 multiply 5 bracket close multiply 3. First of all solve bracket. 6 multiply 5 equal to 30. So write down equal to 30 multiply 3 and 30 multiply 3 equal to 90. Now see next. 6 multiply bracket start 5 multiply 3 bracket close. First solve bracket. 5 multiply 3 equal to 15. So write down equal to 6 multiply 15 and 15 6 are 90. So write 90 here. Product is same. Okay. Now for number 5, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. I will explain you by an example. See, for example, A part. Bracket start 11 plus 6. Bracket close multiply 3. See, 11 multiply 3. Right here. Then plus right and 6 multiply 3. Now we will solve both sides, LHS as well as RHS, means left side and right side. See, in right side first we will solve bracket 11 plus 6, 17. Now write here 17 multiply 3 equal. Now first solve bracket 11 multiply 3, 33 plus and 6 multiply 3, 18. Now solve 17 multiply 3, 51, and see 33 plus 18, 51. So both are equal. LHS equal RHS, means left side equal right side. Now question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A part 216 multiply 121 equal 121 multiply dash. Answer, see, this we have learnt in property, that if we change the order, then product remains same. See, 216 multiply 121 equal 121 multiply 216. Thus, 216 is the answer. B part, 1 multiply dash equal 715. This we have learned in property that if we multiply any number by 1, then product remain is the number itself. See, 715 is the product, so we will multiply 1 by this number 715. Answer, 1 multiply 715 equal 715. Thus 715 is the answer. Now C part, 0 multiply 814 equal dash. This we have learned in property that if we find the product of number and 0, then product is 0. Say 0 multiply 814 equal 0. So write here answer, 0 multiply 814 equal 0. Thus 0 is the answer. Now D part, 17 multiply bracket start 3 multiply 52 bracket close equal 3 multiply bracket start dash multiply 52 bracket close. Answer, see, if we change the grouping, see, 17 is not there, 3 is there and the 52 is there, so write here 17. See, 17 multiply 3 multiply 52 equal 3 multiply 17 multiply 52. Thus 17 is the answer. Now multiplication by one digit number. I will explain you with the help of an example. See, for example, question number 1. Multiply 536 by 6. We have to multiply 536 by 6. Write down 536 multiply 6. Multiply. See, 6 6 are 36. Write 6 here and 3 carry. 6 3 are 18. 18 plus 3. 21, write 1 here and 2 carry. 6 5 are 30 plus 2, 32, right? 32 here. 536 multiply 6 equal to 3216. Okay, write down. Thus the product is 3216. Now multiplication by two digit numbers. I will explain you with the help of an example. See, for example, question number 1. Multiply 652 by 34. We have to multiply 652 by 34. Write down 652 multiply 34. First multiply 652 by 4. See, 4 2s are 8. Write 8 here. 4 5s are 20. Write 0 here and 2 carry. 4 6 are 24 plus 2, 26. Write 26 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 652 by 3. Write down 3 2s are 6. Write 6 here. 3 5s are 15. Write 5 here and 1 carry. 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19. Write 19 here. Now we will do addition. Write 8 here. 0 plus 6, 6. Write 6 here. 6 plus 5, 11. Write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 9, 12. Write 2 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. Write 2 here. Answer is 22,168. Write down. Thus the product is 22,168. Now multiplication by three digit numbers. I will explain you with the help of an example. See, for example, question number 1. Multiply 546 by 302. We have to multiply 546 by 302. Write down 546 by 302. First multiply 546 by 2. See, 2 6 are 12. Write 2 here and 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. Write 9 here. 2 5s are 10. Write 10 here. Now put 1 cross here. Okay, now multiply 546 by 0. See, 0 6 are 0. Write 0 here. 0 4s are 0. Write 0 here. 0 5s are 0. Write 0 here. Now put 2 cross here. Now multiply 546 by 3. See, 3 6 are 18. Write 8 here and 1 carry. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. Write 3 here and 1 carry. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. Write 16 here. Now we will do addition. Write 2 here. 9 plus 0, 9. Write 9 here. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 8, 8. Write 8 here. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 3, 4. Write 4 here. Write 6 as it is and write 1 as it is. Answer is 1,64,892. Write down. Thus the product is 1,64,892. Okay. Now product of 3 or more numbers. For example, question number 1. Find 6 multiply 9 multiply 32. First multiply 6 by 9. See, 6 multiply 9 equal to 54. So write down answer
54 multiply 32. Now multiply 54 by 32. Write down 54 multiply 32. First multiply 54 by 2. See, 2 4s are 8. Write 8 here. 2 5s are 10. Write 10 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 54 by 3. See, 3 4s are 12. Write 2 here and 1 carry. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Write 16 here. Now we will do addition. Write 8 here. 0 plus 2 2. Write 2 here. 1 plus 6 7. Write 7 here and write 1 as it is. Answer is 1728. Write down. Thus, 6 multiply 9 multiply 32 equal to 1728. Okay. Now, question 2. Find 4 multiply 6 multiply 22 multiply 14. First multiply 4 by 6. 4 multiply 6 equal to 24. Write down answer. 24 multiply 22 multiply 14. Now first multiply 24 by 22. Write down 24 multiply 22. See, 2 4s are 8. Write 8 here. 2 2s are 4. Write 4 here. Now put 1 cross here. 2 4s are 8. Write 8 here. 2 2s are 4. Write 4 here. Now we will do addition. Write 8 here. 4 plus 8 12. Write 2 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 4 5. Write 5 here. 24 multiply 22 equal to 528. Now multiply 528 by 14. Write down 528 multiply 14. See, 4 8s are 32. Write 2 here and 3 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. Write 1 here and 1 carry. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. Write 21 here. Now put 1 cross here. See, 1 8s are 8. Write 8 here. 1 2s are 2. Write 2 here. 1 5s are 5. Write 5 here. Now we will do addition. Write 2 here. 1 plus 8 9. Write 9 here. 1 plus 2 3. Write 3 here. 2 plus 5 7. Write 7 here. Answer is 7392. Write down. Thus 4 multiply 6 multiply 22 multiply 14 equal to 7392. Okay. Now question number 1. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. A part 4 multiply 648 multiply 25. We have to rearrange these given numbers in such a way that we get the product like 10, 100, 200, 20, 300 and so on like this. So we will rearrange these numbers. See, answer, write down equal to 648 multiply bracket start 25 multiply 4 bracket close. We will rearrange these numbers in such a way. Clear? Now first of all solve bracket. 25 multiply 4 equal to 100. So write down equal to 648 multiply 100. Now first multiply 648 by 1 and then we will put 2 zeros at the last of this product. So write down equal to 64,800. Okay. Now B part 4 multiply 543 multiply 50. We will rearrange these given numbers. Okay. Write down answer. 543 multiply bracket start 50 multiply 4 bracket close. We will rearrange these numbers in such a way. See, okay. Now solve bracket. 50 multiply 4 equal to 200. So write down equal to 543 multiply 200. First multiply 543 by 2 and then we will place 2 zeros at the last of this product. Multiply 543 multiply 2. See, 2 3s are 6. Write 6 here. 2 4s are 8. Write 8 here. 2 5s are 10. Write 10 here. 543 multiply 2 equal to 1086 and then we will place 2 zeros at the last of this given product. Clear? So write down equal to 1,08,600. Clear?
Now multiplication by 100, 200, 300 and so on up to 900. To multiply a number by 100, 200, 300 and so on up to 900. First multiply the given number by 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9 as the case may be and then place 2 zeros to the right side of the product. For example, question number 1. Find 946 multiply 100. Here first we will multiply 946 by 1 and then put 2 zero at the last. Multiply 946 by 1, that is 946 and then put 2 zero at the last. Thus answer is 94,600. Answer is 94,600.
Now question 2. Find 32 multiply 200. Write down answer. 32 multiply 200. First multiply 32 by 2 and then we will place 2 zeros at the last of this product. See, 32 multiply 2 equal to 64. So write down equal to 6,400. 32 multiply 200 equal to 6,400. Now question 3. Find 76 multiply 600. Write down answer. 76 multiply 600. First multiply 76 by 6 and then we will place 2 zeros at the last of this product. Multiply 76 multiply 6. Say 6 6 are 36. Write 6 here and 3 carry. 6 7 are 42 plus 3 45. Write 45 here. 76 multiply 6 equal to 456 and then we will place 2 zeros at the last of this given product. So write down equal to 45,600. Okay.
Now multiplication by 1000, 2000, 3000 and so on up to 9000. To multiply a number by 1000, 2000, 3000 and so on up to 9000. First multiply the number by 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9 as the case may be, and then place 3 zeros to the right side of the product. For example, question number 1. Find 823. Multiply 1000. Here first we will multiply 823 by 1 and then place 3 zeros at the last. Multiply 823 by 1, that is 823 and then place 3 zeros at the last. Thus answer is 8,23,000. Thus answer is 8,23,000.
Now question 2. Find 12 multiply 6000. Write down answer. 12 multiply 6000. First multiply 12 by 6 and then we will place 3 zeros at the last of this product. So write down 12 multiply 6 equal to 72 and then place 3 zeros at the last of this product, that is 72. So write down equal to 72,000. Clear? 12 multiply 6000 equal to 72,000. Now question 3rd. Find 213 multiply 2000. Write down answer. 213 multiply 2000. First multiply 213 by 2 and then we will place 3 zeros at the last of this given product. Multiply 213 multiply 2. See 2 3s are 6, write 6 here. 2 1s are 2, write 2 here. 2 2s are 4, write 4 here. 213 multiply 2 equal to 426 and then place 3 zeros at the last of this given product. Clear? So write down equal to 4,26,000. 213 multiply 2000 equal to 4,26,000. Okay. Now, word problems on multiplication. See, question number 1. A dealer purchased 46 color TV sets. If the cost of each set is rupees 8,647, find the cost of all the sets together. See, cost of each set is given to you rupees 8,647 and we have to find the cost of 46 color TV sets. So we will multiply, but first we will write statements. So write down answer. Cost of one color TV set equal to rupees 8,647. Cost of 46 color TV sets equal to rupees 8,647 multiply 46. Write down 8,647 multiply 46. First multiply 8,647 by 6. See 6 7s are 42. Write 2 here and 4 carry. 6 4s are 24 plus 4 28. Write 8 here and 2 carry. 6 6 are 36 plus 2 38. Write 8 here and 3 carry. 6 8s are 48 plus 3, 51, right? 51 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 8,647 by 4. See 4 7s are 28, right? 8 here and 2 carry. 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18, right? 8 here and 1 carry. 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25, right? 5 here and 2 carry. 4 8s are 32 plus 2, 34, right? 34 here. Now we will do addition. Right? 2 here, 8 plus 8, 16, right? 6 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 8, 17, right? 7 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 5, 7, write 7 here, 5 plus 4, 9, write 9 here and write 3 as it is. Answer is 3,97,762. Write down. Therefore, the cost of all color TV sets is rupees 3,97,762. Okay. Now, question number 2. A group of 53 persons is going to Chennai. Each person has to pay rupees 9,456 as airfare. What will be the fare for the whole group? See, answer. Airfare paid by one person equal to rupees 9,456. Airfare paid by 53 persons equal to rupees 9,456 multiply 53. Write down 9,456 multiply 53. First multiply 9,456 by 3. See 3 6 are 18. Write 8 here and 1 carry. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Write 6 here and 1 carry. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. Write 3 here and 1 carry. 3 9s are 27 plus 1, 28, right? 28 here. Now put 1 crores here. Now multiply 9456 by 5. See, 5 6 are 30, right? 0 here and 3 carry. 5 5s are 25 plus 3, 28, right? 8 here and 2 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, right? 2 here and 2 carry. 5 9s are 45 plus 2, 47, right? 47 here. Now we will do addition. Right, 8 here, 6 plus 0, 6, right, 6 here, 3 plus 8, 11, right, 1 here and 1 carry, 1 plus 8, 9, plus 2, 11, right, 1 here and 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, plus 7, 10, right, 0 here and 1 carry, 1 plus 4, 5, right, 5 here. Answer is 5,01,168. Write down. Therefore, the airfare for the whole group will be rupees 5,01,168. Okay. Note: do the given assignment number 1 of chapter number 4 multiplication in your fair notebook, and assignment will be uploaded on EdQuark website and WhatsApp groups. Okay. Now I will discuss homework solutions of lecture number 7 of chapter number 4 multiplication. Now solve the following questions. Worksheet given on page number 48. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. D part, 12 multiply 9000 equal to dash. Write down answer. 12 multiply 9000. First multiply 12 by 9 and then we will place 3 zeros at the last of this product. See, 12 multiply 9 equal to 108 and then we will place 3 zeros at the last of this given product. So write down equal to 1,08,000. Thus 12 multiply 9000 equal to 1,08,000. Okay. Now E part. 738 multiply 131 equal to 131 multiply dash. See, 738 multiply 131 equal to 131 multiply dash. See which number is missing? 738. So write down answer. 738 multiply 131 equal to 131 multiply 738. Okay. Now question number 3. Multiply. C part, 426 multiply 789. We have to multiply 426 by 789. So write down 426 multiply 789. First multiply 426 by 9. See, 9 6 are 54, write 4 here and 5 carry. 9 2 are 18. 18 plus 5, 23, write 3 here and 2 carry. 9 4 are 36 plus 2, 38, write 38 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 426 by 8. See, 8 6 are 48, write 8 here and 4 carry. 8 2 are 16 plus 4, 20, write 0 here and 2 carry. 8 4 are 32 plus 2, 34, write 34 here. Now put 2 cross here. Now multiply 426 by 7. See, 7 6 are 42, write 2 here and 4 carry. 7 2 are 14 plus 4, 18, write 8 here and 1 carry. 7 4 are 28 plus 1, 29, write 29 here. Now we will do addition. Write 4 here, 3 plus 8, 11, write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9, plus 0, 9, plus 2, 11, write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4, plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, write 6 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4, plus 9, 13, write 3 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3, write 3 here. Answer is 3,36,114. Write down. Thus, the product is 3,36,114. Now, question number 5. There are 516 mango trees in an orchard. A man plucked 404 mangoes from each tree. How many mangoes did he pluck altogether? See, answer. Number of mangoes plucked from one tree equal to 404 mangoes. Number of mangoes plucked from 516 trees equal to 404 multiply 516. Write down 404 multiply 516. First multiply 404 by 6. See, 6 4s are 24, write 4 here and 2 carry. 6 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2, write 2 here. 6 4s are 24, write 24 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 404 by 1. See, 1 4s are 4, write 4 here. 1 zeros are 0, write 0 here. 1 4s are 4, write 4 here. Now put 2 cross here. Now multiply 404 by 5. See, 5 4s are 20, write 0 here and 2 carry. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2, write 2 here. 5 4s are 20, write 20 here. Now we will do addition. Write 4 here. 2 plus 4, 6, write 6 here. 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0, 4, write 4 here. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2, 8, write 8 here. Write 0 as it is, write 2 as it is. Answer is 2,08,464. Write down. Therefore, a man plucked 2,08,464 mangoes. Okay. Now, question number 7. A baker bakes 367 loaves of bread a day. How many loaves of bread will he bake in 2 years? Hint, 1 year equal to 365 days. First of all, we'll find the number of days in 2 years and then we will solve further. Write down answer. Number of days in 1 year equal to 365 days. Number of days in 2 years equal to 365 multiply 2. Write down 365 multiplies 2. See 2 5s are 10. Write 0 here and 1 carry. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13. Write 3 here and 1 carry. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Write 7 here. Okay. Number of days in 2 years equal to 730 days. Okay. Now write down baker bakes loaves of bread in 1 day equal to 367 loaves of bread. Baker bakes loaves of bread in 730 days equal to 367 multiply 730. Write down 367 multiply 730. See 0 7 is 0. Write 0 here. 0 6 is 0. Write 0 here. 0 3 is 0. Write 0 here. 0 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now see 3 7 is 21. Write 1 here and 2 carry. 3 6 is 18 plus 2 20. Write 0 here and 2 carry. 3 3 is 9 plus 2 11. Write 11 here. Now put 2 cross here. Now see 7 7 is 49. Write 9 here and 4 carry. 7 6 is 42 plus 4 46. Write 6 here and 4 carry. 7 3 is 21 plus 4 25. Write 25 here. Now we will do addition. Write 0 here. 0 plus 1 1. Write 1 here. 0 plus 0 0 plus 9 9. Write 9 here. 1 plus 6 7. Write 7 here. 1 plus 5 6. Write 6 here and write 2 as it is. Answer is 2,67,910. Write down. Therefore, baker will bake 2,67,910 loaves of bread in 2 years. Okay. Now, question number 9. The cost of one scooter is rupees 24,450. On a particular day, the distributor sold 25 such scooters. Find the amount collected by selling them. See, cost of one scooter is given to you, that is rupees 24,450. We have to find the cost of 25 such scooters. So we will multiply, but first we will write statements. So write down answer. Cost of one scooter equal to rupees 24,450. Cost of 25 scooters equal to rupees 24,450 multiply 25. Write down 24,450 multiply 25. Okay, but first multiply 24,450 by 5. See 5 zeros are 0. Write 0 here. 5 5s are 25. Write 5 here and 2 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. Write 2 here and 2 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. Write 2 here and 2 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Write 12 here. Now put 1 cross here. Now multiply 24,450 by 2. See 2 zeros are 0. Write 0 here. 2 5s are 10. Write 0 here and 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Write 9 here. 2 4s are 8. Write 8 here. 2 2s are 4. Write 4 here. Now we will do addition. Write 0 here. 5 plus 0 5. Write 5 here. 2 plus 0 2. Write 2 here. 2 plus 9 11. Write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3 plus 8 11. Write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2 plus 4 6. Write 6 here. Answer is 6,11,250. Write down. Therefore, the amount collected by selling 25 scooters is rupees 6,11,250. Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.